Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to purchase Euro Moments bundle in FC Mobile. Contains a 96 and 99 OVR player. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new to this game. Still confused how I can challenge the event, how I can complete the quest, so I can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the store button. So as you can see in this recommended store, you can purchase any pack that you want. For example, this one, Euro Moments bundle first or one. With only 9,000 gems, you can purchase this pack. Contain 500,000 coin and 1 Euro Moments player, 96 plus OVR Euro player, and also 10 best player. Let's try to purchase by type the 90. Sorry. And if you don't have sufficient gem, you cannot purchase this. I only have 7,000 here. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. If you try this open purchase, possibly reward will be this player. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.